Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the Seagate One Touch SSD, 1 terabyte. It is really small, as you can see right here next to the quarter. That's super small. It fits in the palm of your hand. It's 1 terabyte. Imagine when it used to be so much bigger, such a big hard drive. This is a SSD, of course. It has the USB 3.0 port. You can get a adapter for that, so you can plug it into your computer. You can get the USB-C adapter right there. Here is the other side, so that fits in right on the side of the drive. It's just super small, 1 terabyte. It's a lot of storage space, and it's fast, up to 400 megabit a second. This is Chris Rochon, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, of course, thumbs up.